My name is Steve. Welcome to Shark River Machine. In this video I'm going to be doing a cosmetic restoration on a Wilton Bullet vise. It's a 3-inch vise. I picked it up several weeks ago at an old-time hardware store out in Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. It's one of my favorite haunts when I'm out there. I always stop to see what he's got. Very often they have some used stuff hiding around there, and as I was walking up and down the aisles I happened to spot this vise sitting on the floor under some other stuff, and I pulled it out and we came to a deal, and I bought it and brought it home. As you'll be able to see as I'm taking it apart, it's in excellent condition. There's no missing or broken parts. Although it does not have the swivel base. Maybe I can find one of them for the future. It's in such good condition that I'm not going to completely disassemble it. This is going to be primarily a cosmetic restoration. So let's get started. I decided that I'd take you on a road trip. We're in northern Lancaster County, Pennsylvania, driving on some local farm roads, and this hardware store is right out in the middle of a farming area. It's strictly a local operation. I stop here every time I'm in the area. Looks like it's in pretty good shape. The key is good. The screw looks good. I'm going to take that out next. Okay, the lock collar looks like brand new. The screw is in good shape, doesn't show any wear. Okay, the drawers are in great shape. It's the only thing I'm going to change on this. I'm going to actually, since I have another good vise with good steel jaws in it, I'm going to make up a set of soft jaws out of aluminum for this one. After getting the vise all cleaned up, I found that there were some center punch marks on the anvil. So I'm going to take a light cut in the milling machine and clean that up. I was able to mount it with one stud right through to the T-slot. And on the other side, I used a regular hold down clamp. I've got it all squared up. I've got the milling cutter all set up. I'm going to touch down and take a light cut on it. Almost there. I'm going to try another 10 thousandths. That'll do it. I'm pretty happy with the finish on that. I'm going to let it go. I'm going to clean them down with acetone now. Get all the grease or oil from my hands, anything left off of it. And now I'm going to mask them up and get them ready for primer. I'm going to prime it with self-etching primer. I got plenty of ventilation. I got the garage door open. I got the back door open. And my respirator is among the missing. So. Let it dry and start putting some color on. Well, that wraps up part one of the Wilton Bullet vise rebuild. In part two, I'll be finishing up the assembly, cleaning the rest of the parts, and making and installing the aluminum soft jaws. Again, I want to thank all my subscribers, all my new subscribers, and keep those thumbs up and comments coming.